Good morning, dear student. Today we will start the new chapter of social science. So our chapter name is I Love My India, and this is the fourth chapter of class 3. And which subject? That is the social science. So take out your book fast and page number, that is 26. I love my India. Now read the questions and tick the correct answer. Now here is read the questions and tick the correct answer. So which festival is also called the Festival of Lights? Which festival is called? Now I will give hint that long ago the Rama, the king of Ayodhya, had returned home after how many years? After 14 years in exile, after defeating a king, that is, what's its name? The name is Ravana. Okay, so the people of Ayodhya, they lighted candles. Why they lighted candles? Why? Because the Rama, the king of Ayodhya, had returned home after 14 years. So we celebrate which festival? So that is the Diwali. So the answer is Diwali. Now next one is second question. When do we celebrate Republic Day? So, when do we celebrate Republic Day? I will also give a clue that on this day we invite a foreign dignitary to grace the occasion as a chief guest. Now, many cultural programs are held and a parade is also held at Rajpath in Delhi. Which place? At Rajpath in Delhi. So, when do we celebrate Republic Day? And so here is the 26th January. So tick on this. Now the third question is, which of these is one of the famous monument in Agra? Okay, so which of these is famous monument? Now, an emperor, who's emperor? An emperor, that is the Shah Jahan, built this monument, okay, in memory of his wife, that is Mumtaz. So, an emperor built this monument by in memory of his wife, that is Mumtaz. And today it is one of the new 7 wonders of the world. So, what is the answer? Yes, that is the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal, that is built by Shah Jahan in memory of Mumtaz, his wife. Okay, and in 26th January, so this day is celebrated as Republic Day. Okay, a parade is also held at Rajpath in Delhi. And Diwali, why we celebrate Diwali? Because the Rama, the king of Ayodhya, had returned home after 14 years. So the people celebrate this festival, that is the Diwali. Now, in lesson 2, you learn that there are 7 continents that in India that lies in Asia. So, in chapter, that is lesson 2. What we learned in lesson 2, that we learned that there are how many continents in the world? How many continents? Yes, there are 7 continents in the world. And how many oceans are there? So, how many oceans? So, there are 5 oceans are there. Okay. So, how many continents? That is 7 continents. And how many oceans are there? There are 5 oceans. So, what are the name of that continents? That is the first one is the largest one is the Asia. Okay. Asia is the largest continent. And which ocean is largest? That is the Pacific. Pacific Ocean is the largest among all oceans. Okay. And in Asia, which country lies? That our India. That lies in which continent? That is Asia. India जो है कौन से कॉन्टिनेंट में आता है? That is Asia. Okay. India that lies in Asia, which is the largest continent among all these continents. Okay. And which one is the largest ocean? That is the Pacific. What we have learned in lesson 2. What about the continents? What are continents? The large area of land masses, that is called the continents, and huge water bodies are called the oceans. And how many oceans? There are 5 oceans. And how many continents? There are 7 continents. And which is the largest one? Which is the largest? So our answer is Asia is the largest continent. And which is the largest ocean? That is the Pacific is the largest ocean. And our country. Okay, because the chapter is I love my India. Okay, so our country. If we talk about India, so India lies in that continent, that is the Asia, which is the largest continent in the world. Now, India is a very big country. Okay, there are many religions in that country and people follow many religions. There are many states, union territories. Okay, so India, see, this is the India. Now in page number 27, see the map 4.1 here. This is the political map of India. What is this? This is the political map of India. Here all these states and the union territory that is mentioned. Okay, so there are how many states? There are 28 states and 9 union territories in India. So these are the states and the union territories, and their capitals is also mentioned in that states. Okay, so here this is called the political map. In political map, yes, all the states and union territories are there. They mention. Okay, by the help of political map, we can easily found both the state and the union territories. Where is all the states and where is all the union territories? So how many states in our country? Yes, there are only 28 states in our country. Okay, at that time, so this book is old. So here what state mentioned, that is the 29. अभी इसमें क्या लिखा है 29, बट ये जो बुक है आपकी ये ओल्ड हो चुकी है. सो अभी जो स्टेट्स हैं, कितने स्टेट्स है बेटा, देयर आर 28 स्टेट्स. और यहाँ पे जो दे रखा है 7 यूनियन टेरिटरीज, that is not correct. At now there are 9 union territories in India. Clear? So India is very big country, and ranking of India in the world. What is ranking of India in the world? So your ranking is in the class. आपकी रैंक कैसी होगी, फर्स्ट रैंक, सेकेंड रैंक, सम स्टूडेंट गॉट फर्स्ट रैंक, सम स्टूडेंट गॉट सेकेंड पोजीशन, थर्ड पोजीशन एंड फोर्थ पोजीशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्टडीज. ओके, जिसने सबसे अच्छी स्टडी करी है who got the first position, then second position, third position. Okay, so the ranking of India in the world in terms of size and population, means in terms of size and population. Size means what? That is the area. Size means that is area, means हमारी जो कंट्री है, what in which country we live in India. So उस कंट्री का जो एरिया है, ओके, द साइज है वो कितना बड़ा है. ओके, सो द रैंकिंग ऑफ इंडिया इन द वर्ल्ड, that is, so India's rank in which position? That is the 7th position. Okay, so India's rank in terms of area. In terms of area, India's position is 7th position. Okay, क्योंकि हमारी जो कंट्री का एरिया है वो वर्ल्ड में कौन से नंबर पे आता है? That is the 7th position. हमारी कंट्री that is India. Okay, so India got 7th position in terms of area, and in terms of population, our country is ranking in 2nd position. Second position. So what do you mean by population? The total number of people that living in area. Okay, so the total number of people like you, me, all people, okay, that live in our country. So who got first position? Which country got first position? That is the first position in terms of population, that is चाइना. चाइना में सबसे ज़्यादा पॉपुलेशन है, सबसे ज़्यादा लोग कहाँ हैं? डेट इज चाइना. और हमारी जो कंट्री है डेट इज इंडिया. इंडिया का कौन सा नंबर आता है? डेट इज द इंडिया गॉट 2nd पोजीशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ population. And about how many people that live in our country? That is more than 135 करोड़. ओके, 135 करोड़ से भी ज्यादा. ओके, सो population means total number of people. So who got first position? That is China. सबसे ज्यादा जो people है वो कहाँ रहते हैं? That is the total number of people. Who got the highest position? That is the China. And our country's position in terms of population, that is India. If we talk about the population, then our country got the 2nd position. And if we the ranking of India in the world in terms of area, Australia, that is the seventh. Okay, seventh position. Clear? So India is a very big country. It is the seventh largest in the world. Means India's position is India is the seventh largest country in the world. Seventh largest country in the world. And the first one is, that is Russia. First is the Russia, and the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and our country got this. Our country is the seventh largest country, okay, in the world. Our country is the seventh. India is the seventh largest country in the world, and the ranking of India in the world in terms of population, that is the second. Okay, India got the second rank in terms of population, and about more than 135 crore people that live in our country. Okay, more than 135 crore people that live in our country. इतने सारे जो लोग हैं, more than 135 crore they live, वो हमारी इसी country, that is the India में रहते हैं. And these people they speak many languages. Okay, so India is very diverse country. Okay, so these people they speak many language. Some speak Tamil, some Malayalam, and some Hindi. So that is the languages. Languages means in each state, like in Tamil Nadu, the people speak Tamil. Okay, in Kerala, people speak Malayalam. In Bihar, the people speak Methili and Bhojpuri, and Gujarat, most people speak which language? That is the Gujarati. So there are in India there are the people that speak many languages in our country. Clear? Now India shares its boundaries with many countries. So which are the neighboring countries of India? Neighbors means, that is neighboring. Neighbors means हमारे पड़ोसी. Okay, at your home your neighbors is also there. आपके भी घर में क्या है? Neighbors हो, पास में क्या रहते हैं? सारे neighbors. Neighbors means पड़ोसी. So हमारी जो इंडिया है सी, and इसके पास में जो countries है, so that are our neighbors. ये हमारे क्या हुए? पड़ोसी देश. Okay, so the neighboring countries. So India's neighboring countries, so they are Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Bangladesh, and Myanmar. And the Sri Lanka and the Maldives are the nearest neighbor in the Indian Ocean. Now you got the concept that first what we learned that the ranking of India in the world. Ranking means the position. जैसे कि आपकी आती है हर बच्चे की क्लास में फर्स्ट पोजीशन, सेकंड पोजीशन, थर्ड पोजीशन. Now we are talking about India. So the ranking of India in the world. Okay, पूरे वर्ल्ड में इंडिया की कौन सी रैंक आती है? In terms of size, India is the seventh largest country in the world. Okay, India is the seventh largest country. Seventh, okay, in terms of size, and in terms of population, India is the second position. Okay, so in terms of population, India is the second position in the world. Population means total number of people that living in country. Who got the first position? That is the China, and the second position is the India. And in terms of area, who got first position? That is the Russia, and the seventh position is our country India. Okay. And India is a very big country, and many people live in India. Okay, there are many people live in India, so they follow different religions. Okay, different cultures, different customs, different food habits. Okay, different thought, different ideas. They speak different languages. So the people of our country, they follow different religions, like some Jainism, Buddhism, Hindu, Muslim, Christian. Okay, so many religion of people that live in our country, their customs, cultures and customs are different. They follow different customs and culture. Their food habits is also different. Food habits means उनका जो खाने की जो चीजें हैं वो भी उनकी क्या होती है? डिफरेंट होती है. Their thoughts, their ideas, and these people, they speak different languages. Okay, so our country is very diverse country. And how many continents are there? There are 7 continents, and the largest one is Asia, and India lies in which continent? That is Asia. India lies in Asia. And about how many people living in our country? That is more than 135 करोड़. More than, इससे भी ज्यादा. Okay, 135 करोड़. Now, name of its neighboring countries. Name of India's neighboring country. Neighbors means what? Padosi. So India's neighboring countries, that is the Pakistan, second Afghanistan, third Nepal, fourth Bhutan, fifth one China, sixth Bangladesh, seventh Myanmar, and the countries that is across the sea, that is Sri Lanka and Maldives, that is neighbors across the sea, that is neighbors across the sea. Like here is the map and here is what? Indian Ocean. Where is Indian Ocean? That lies here. So here, where is the Sri Lanka? Here is the, okay, so here is what? Indian Ocean. Okay, so here is what? Here is the Sri Lanka, that is neighbors across the sea. What's here is Sri Lanka, SRILANKA, that is Sri Lanka, and here are the Maldives. Okay, so these countries are neighbors across the sea, and the countries like Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Bangladesh, Myanmar. See, this is the neighboring countries that touch the mainland, that share the mainland of our country, that touch the boundaries of our country. So these are the, so how many neighboring countries? There are total 9 neighboring countries, and all of you repeat the name again, that is the Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Clear? So these are the names of India's neighboring countries. Here these are the names of India's neighboring countries. So there are 7 countries that share the boundary of our country India, that is Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and the 2 that are the neighboring countries that across the sea. All these are, here is sea, here is also sea. So neighbors across sea, that is Sri Lanka and Maldives. Clear? So these are the names of India's neighboring countries. Now, India is surrounded by, now this is the south portion of India. See, this is India, and here is which sea? That is the Arabian Sea. Which sea? That is Arabian Sea. Here is what? Here is the Bay of Bengal, and here is what? Here is Indian Ocean. Because yes, there are, what is this? There are water bodies, big water bodies are there. So here Arabian Sea, and this side, that is the Bay of Bengal, and the south side, that is the Indian Ocean. So in the east what is? Bay of Bengal, and in the west which sea is there? That is the Arabian Sea, and the south, that is the Indian Ocean. So India is surrounded by our country. This is the only this portion of I draw only this portion of India's. It is India's map. So here in the west side there is Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal in the east and Indian Ocean in the south. Okay, I hope you understand this chapter very well, about this topic very well. We will meet in our next video. Till then, bye.